hope you've had a great weekend. All right, today is April 28th, 2024. We have 2 days more till April ends. Wow. Who here thinks the month went by so fast? Me. I think the month went by really fast. Really, really fast. All right. So yesterday I didn't record, so we're going to be doing 2-in-1 video like we've been doing in the past few days. In the past few days we've been doing 3-in-1, but today we're going to do 2-in-1. So today's date, I already said it. Yesterday's date, the temperature at 6 p.m. for the highest was 79 degrees Fahrenheit. The average temperature for the day yesterday was 59 degrees Fahrenheit. Today's temperature at 6 p.m. is 77 degrees Fahrenheit, and then the average temperature for the day is 67 degrees Fahrenheit. So per our chart, 70 to 79 is gold. So for our regular blankets, we are going to have gold for our regular blankets. And then for our granny square, we are going to have 1 in bright citrus and 1 in curry. So that is what we are going to be doing for today. And today, our word of the day is bird. Bird. In Nzema, it is in Fanti, it is anoma, and in Tree also it is anoma. So anoma, and in Nzema it's So it kind of sounds similar in all 3 languages. So anoma. All right, let's get into this. I'm going to stop my plenty talking. So here we go. Welcome, gold. Bye bye, yellow. Oh. All right, we are done with the one for yesterday. So we are going to begin for today's own, and since it was 77, it's still the same color. I don't have to change it, therefore I'll just get right into it. I get right into it. Okay. All right, we are almost at the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for 150 subscribers. Yay! I appreciate you all so much. See, I started in January. It's been slow but sure. Like little by little, we are getting there. We are getting the subscribers. I really appreciate you guys so much. All right, let's remind ourselves of our word of the day. Our word of the day was bird. Bird. Anoma. Infanti and tree. Anoma. And in Nzema, it is Aloma. Aloma. A, O, Aloma in phonics. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm going to do the granny square, but it will be like in a fast-paced video. So see you guys. Bye.